Hi, hello and welcome. My name is Partha Sarathi. I am studying in class 12 in Kendra Vidyalaya Kripko, Surat. My principal ma'am, Miss Mamta Singh. My sports teacher, Mr. R.V. Singh sir. So in this video, we will be talking about the greatest player of hockey. Now who is that? One of India's greatest sporting hero was Major Dhyan Chand, was the epitome of success in history. He was born on 29 August 1905 in Allahabad to Samishwar Singh and Shraddha Singh. His father worked in British Indian Army where he played hockey. Dhyan Chand had two brothers, Mool Singh and Roop Singh. He could get only 6 years of schooling as his family had to move one city to other because of the transferable nature of his father's job. Dhyan Chand had studied in Victoria College in 1932 in Gwalior. A young boy, Chand had no interest in hockey, and the only game he was fond to wrestling. He joined the Indian Army at the age of 16, which is when he started playing hockey. His actual name was Dhyan Singh, but the prefix Chand was given by his fellow mate and coach. Now why so? He used to play hockey day and night, but especially at the time of shining moonlight. That's why Chand, which means moonlight, shining moonlight. Dhyan Chand won 3 gold medals in the year of 1928, 1934 and 1936 in Olympics. After playing in 1928 and 1932 Olympics in Amsterdam and Los Angeles, Dhyan Chand captained Indian team in 1936 games in Berlin. He was known as the magician of hockey for the super ball control and is father of Indian sports. Chand played his final international match in 1948, scoring more than 400 goals in his international career. After independence, when India was struggling to make its mark at the global level, Dhyan Chand put India on the map through hockey. In 1956, Chand retired from the Indian Army with the rank of Major, and in the same year he was honored with Padma Bhushan Award. Every year on his birthday, which is also India's National Sports Day, the President gives away sports-related awards like Rajiv Gandhi Award, Khel Ratan Award, Dronacharya Award at Rashtrapati Bhavan. In 2002, the National Stadium of Delhi had renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. Dhyan Chand passed away on 3rd December 1976 due to liver cancer in All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. I can't end this video without mentioning the historical conversation of Chand with Adolf Hitler. In 1936 Olympics, when India was against Germany, that India was leading the match, Adolf Hitler left the stadium halfway through the game as he could not witness the German losing. Needless to say, India was phenomenal and won the match. Score was 8-1, in which Chand scored 3 goals. जैसे ही मैच खत्म होता है, अडोल्फ हिटलर चंद को अपना ऑफिस बुलाते हैं और कहते हैं कि क्यों तुम क्या हॉकी खेलने के अलावा तुम और क्या करते हो? ध्यान चंद ने कहा, मैं हॉकी खेलने के अलावा इंडियन आर्मी में काम करता हूं। और अब अडोल्फ हिटलर पूछते हैं कि इंडियन आर्मी में आपका रैंक क्या है? ध्यान चंद कहते हैं कि मैं मेजर का काम करता हूं। अब हिटलर हंसते हुए कहते हैं कि तुम्हारे देश ने तुम्हारे लिए क्या किया है। आज भी तुम मेजर ही तो हो, आज ही तुम जर्मन आ जाओ, मैं तुम्हें जर्मन टीम का कैप्टन बना दूंगा और साथ ही साथ फील्ड मार्शल बना दूंगा। जब बात देश की आ गई, आप जानना चाहते हो ध्यानचंद ने क्या कहा, तो आप तो सुनिए। तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि ये देश की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, ये देश की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है मुझे आगे बढ़ाने की, ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है अपने देश को आगे बढ़ाने की। तो इसी के साथ हम इस वीडियो पे एंड पे आ गए हैं। So this was all about the biography of Dhyan Chand, who was the greatest player of hockey for all the time. So thank you for watching my video.